A single line of vulnerable code could expose your entire database to attackers. Let's talk about prepared statements and why they're essential for Java database programming. Here's the dangerous way many beginners write database queries, using string concatenation with a regular statement. You build the SQL query by gluing strings together with user input. This looks simple, but it's a critical security vulnerability. Watch what happens when a malicious user enters this as their username, single quote, Oregon1 equals 1 dash dash. The concatenated string becomes a completely different query. Instead of checking credentials, it returns all users because 1 equals 1 is always true. The dashes comment out the rest. This is SQL injection, and it's how databases get compromised. Prepared statement solves this by separating the query structure from the data. You write your SQL with question mark placeholders, then bind parameters using setString or setInt. The database treats parameters as pure data, never as executable code. Even malicious input gets safely escaped. The query is precompiled once and can be executed multiple times with different parameters. Beyond security, prepared statements give you two more advantages. First, performance. The database caches the query plan, so repeated executions are faster. Second, type safety. Methods like setString, setInt, and setDate ensure you're passing the correct data types, catching errors at compile time instead of runtime. Always use prepared statement for database queries. You get SQL injection protection, better performance through query plan caching, and type-safe parameter binding. Practice this on our platform to master secure database programming. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.